Hello everyone. I decided to share my spoon collection. It's not a collection of both spoons, but I made them last half a year, and I rarely put the video on YouTube, but process of making. But here I want to just share couple of spoons and forks and different stuff I made last half a year. These are my hardwoods. They look pretty similar, but two of them are African hardwood. I'm not sure which one. And this comes from a garden of a friend of mine. She had a beautiful tree that was taken out. Not sure what it was. Yellow flowers. It's really hard and it's really nice to work in. Then this is some spalted hard maple. Gets those really nice black lines through it because of the some kind of bug or some. This is just really light pine. One of those melted. I'm not sure how you melt wood, but that's what happened. There's only two forks I have. This is for gravy, you know, just pour for gravy. Spatula. Maybe for a meatball or something. And then these are my little spoons. This whole thing is, I think, till here. These are all like cherry wood. Really nice wood to work in. I just have normal spoons or maybe something carved like that. This is the last one I made. No, that's not it. This one. This one is, I just made it yesterday. These are all cherry. Then there's some hazelwood. These are a couple of different woods. This is acacia, and then there's cedar and some other tiny bits of hardwood. And then hard maple, because it has this checker. I'll check if I can focus on it. Yeah, you see the checkered kind of grain. And I got a snake on this side. So that's a weird spoon. And this one is with epoxy, so it's like you can see through it. Some more hazel. This one, my daughter wanted me to make one with a butterfly on it, so I did. So next time she's here, she can have it. There's a flower in there. Some acacia, unknown, some combination because it didn't work out. This one I purposely made from cedar and hard maple. Just a little stirring spoons. So this is my spoon collection. I'll try to make some more. Oh yeah, I didn't say anything about this one. This one is like a pipe, miscellaneous, and this one is very special. This is a macho spatula. You see, it's like you can like kick someone's ass. You can also cook with it, and while you're cooking you can look at a really lovely, you know, like a butt. It's actually idea of a friend of mine. I just made it and I love it. Right, peace out.